Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is find the microphone port. So I'll just fold it in half. Now here you guys will see the microphone port, and what you guys want to do is clean it with a non-metallic tool. It's very important to use something that is not metallic because you can only damage the port and it will be way worse. So after you do that, what you guys can do is go over and head to the recorder app. So here we will have a lot of apps. Now as you guys can see, we can search for the recorder here. And here we have the voice recorder. Now let's just skip through all of it. Give the permissions, and here we can check if our microphone is now working. Now what you guys can do next is boot into the safe mode to check any third-party app issues. So how you do that is you hold the power button and the volume down button to go over to this menu right here. Now hold the power off, and here we will have the safe mode. So just tap on it and your phone will restart in the safe mode. So I'll see you guys then. Now as you guys can see here, we will have the indicator of it being in the safe mode. Now here we won't have any third-party apps like Drive, YouTube Music and Google TV. And here we will be able to see everything. Now what you guys can do is check the issues in any third-party apps. I don't have any installed. So basically after you check it, what you guys can do is hold the power button and the volume down button, and now click on the restart. Now after you restart the phone, it will go from safe mode to normal mode. So I'll see you guys once the phone restarts. So now after the restart, the last thing you guys can do is check the software update. So you need to check if your software is updated to the latest version. So basically go over to settings, now scroll down, and here click software update. Click on download and install, and here you guys need Wi-Fi connection to do that. So make sure that your Wi-Fi is on. And now what you guys can do is click download and install, and here it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.